little fox.
Meet the Animals, Episode 8, Walrus. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a walrus. Walruses are big sea mammals.
Where do you live?
We live near the Arctic Circle. It is very cold here.
How do you stay warm?
We have lots of blubber. Blubber is a type of fat. It keeps us nice and warm.
You have huge tusks.
Our tusks are long teeth. We use them to poke holes in ice. Our tusks also protect us from enemies.
Can you swim?
Walruses swim very well. We're not fast, but we can swim for a long time.
What do you eat?
Walruses mostly eat clams from the ocean floor. We use our whiskers to find the clams.
Do you live with other walruses?
Yes, walruses live in big groups. We like to lie on the beach together. It's time to sleep now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, walrus.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.